By now, you've probably heard about a ceramic coating. After all, they've been around for over 20 years now. But maybe you don't know what it is. Maybe your neighbor got one and you want to know what it is. In this video, I'm going to break it down for you, talk about what a ceramic coating is, what it can do for you, what it costs, and why you would want one. Hi, I'm Ken, and I've installed ceramic coatings on hundreds of cars, trucks, and motorcycles right here in the Texas Hill Country. And if you'll stick around and watch this video to the end, I've got a nice surprise that you won't want to miss. Now, if you're like a lot of car owners here in the Texas Hill Country, you take a lot of pride in your vehicle, whether it's a car, a truck, motorcycle, SUV. You bought it, you like it, and you want to take care of it. But between our hot Texas sun, the endless road construction, and all of those bugs on our hill country roads, keeping your car clean and shiny, it can feel like a full-time job. And in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to keep your car nice and clean with a ceramic coating. You see, a ceramic coating isn't just car wax or another sealant. It's advanced protection that your car really deserves to have. So what is a ceramic coating? Well, and by the way, I'm not going to give you a chemistry lesson here. All of this is just to show you that it's comprised of a lot of different things that bond to your clear coat on your car. Some of that is called SiO2 or silica dioxide, but there are other things in there as well. And all of these work together to form that lasting bond that lasts for years. To truly appreciate what a ceramic coating is and what it does, it's good to back up just a step and understand automotive paint. It's not as thick as you might think. The paint on your car truck is comprised of multiple layers, and the substrate is where it begins. The substrate being the metal, the aluminum, fiberglass, whatever that's painted. So first, the body is dipped in a tub of the E-coat. It's electrostatic, and that goes on before anything. Next, the primer goes on, sprayed by robots. It's anywhere from 38 to 63 microns thick, and a micron is a millionth of a meter. And after the primer is baked, then it goes out and the robots spray the color coat or the base coat on it, which is not very thick at all. It's only about 12, 15, 20 or so microns thick. And after that bakes, the clear coat is applied, and that's anywhere from 30 to 50 microns thick. And a little over 20 years ago, that clear coat was actually thicker than it is today. So it's very, very thin. How thin? Let me show you. We said that the clear coat is 30 to 50 microns thick. Well, did you know that the human hair, one single strand is about 50 microns? That's right. I don't care how much you paid for your car. The clear coat is about as thick as a strand of human hair. And once that clear coat gets damaged, whether it's from oxidation or swirls from your local car wash or scratches or water spots from the hard water here in Central Texas, once this clear coat is damaged, beyond the clear and into the base, you have to repaint that area. Here's a few things that your car is subject to from the day it comes out of the factory. And the first is the sun, especially here in Central Texas. The UV rays are oxidizing your paint, whether you can see it or not. And when those birds fly overhead or you get bugs on the grill, that goes right into your clear coat. And a lot of time it etches right in and you can never get it out. And while we might not have acid rain here in Central Texas, we do have hard water, and when that gets on your clear coat, it'll etch right through to the base coat. And then there's the tree sap. Once it's on there, if you don't get it straight away, it's going to stay. The ceramic coating offers a layer of protection against all of that, keeping your car looking great for a lot of years. Other benefits include the fact that it's hydrophobic and water is going to run off of it like it was just waxed. One of the biggest benefits is how easy it is to clean. On average, it takes about 10 to 15 minutes to wipe down the car and clean it. In fact, I had one customer who had a big Yukon. He had it coated here. He called me and said, "Hey, Ken, it took me 15 minutes to clean this thing." And perhaps the number one reason people get a ceramic coating is how it makes the car look. It always looks glossy after you clean it. And if you're like a lot of our clients, you have more than one vehicle, and cleaning them has never been easier than with a ceramic coating. We've talked about what a ceramic coating is. We've talked about what it does and how it benefits you. Now let's talk about what it costs. A professional grade ceramic coating is going to last on average 5 to 7 years, depending on how well you maintain it. Now, a professional grade ceramic coating is one that you cannot buy at a retail outlet. It's only available through certified accredited installers. Let's compare the cost of waxing your car over 5 years versus having a ceramic coating over 5 years. In the first case, we're going to assume $400 per wax job. Since it only lasts a few months, you're going to have to do it 4 times a year in order to get the coverage that you're going to get on a ceramic coating as far as how long it's on the car. After 5 years, you're going to spend $8,500 waxing your car 4 times a year. Now let's take a look at the cost of a ceramic coating over 5 years. The initial cost, let's call it $2,000. The annual maintenance that goes on it, $250. Over 5 years, that's $3,000. Over that 5 year period, you're going to save $5,500 with a ceramic coating, even with the annual maintenance. And here's what makes it even sweeter. One of our clients called me recently and said that he traded his car for a new one. They looked on the Carfax. They saw that we had installed a professional grade ceramic coating on his car. They gave him an extra $1,000 for his trade. You've invested a lot of money in the vehicles that you own, and they deserve the best paint protection possible. And here at Dripping Auto Pros, we make that happen. And here's the nice surprise I promised you at the start. We're offering you a complimentary glass coating on all the glass on your vehicle. That's worth $500 if you call us within the next 24 hours to book a ceramic coating. So just click on the link below, go to our website, give us a call, text us, let us know that you saw this video, and use the code SAVE, SAVE 500, SAVE 500. It's down in the description below. You'll get a complimentary glass coating worth $500.